At Aviation Academy in Louisiana, our passion for aviation runs deep. We all enjoy being around aviation, and our favorite is obviously introducing new people to aviation.
So my wife signed me up for an intro flight with Aviation Academy to see what it was like to get behind the controls of a helicopter. It was a great experience, somewhat intimidating, but he walked us through it and told us what it would take to become a helicopter pilot.
It was more of a welcoming feeling to, hey, come in, let me show how I can benefit you, and let me show you just how easy I can make this for you.
They explained to me the whole process from getting a private to getting a instrument to getting a commercial rating.
We make it as comfortable as possible. The instructors are there to make sure that nobody's put in an unsafe position.
We understand it's stressful to learning how to operate an aircraft. We try to make the learning environment fun and engaging.
The atmosphere that we created here is a atmosphere of camaraderie, welcoming atmosphere. It's a place for pilots to hang out.
Well, I have several hunting camps that I go to. One's in Mississippi, one's north of here in Louisiana. My wife and I like to go to the beach a lot. It's a long drive and I wanted a way to get around quicker.
There is no traffic jams in the air. That is one major thing. Also living in South Louisiana, we deal with the 18-mile bridge to get to Baton Rouge, where it slows down traffic a lot. We can bridge that gap so much faster by being able to fly.
I would like to be a commercial pilot, and I had a whole bunch of questions.
The career potential in aviation is unlimited. Not only is there a shortage of helicopter pilots and airline pilots today, but we also need mechanics that can work on aircraft. We've assembled a collection of flight instructors and maintenance technicians that is second to none. Not only do we train helicopter and airplane pilots, we also maintain aircraft.
It's real nice to be able to get into an aircraft that doesn't have things falling off of it. They're flight ready every time you go to the airport. We try to separate ourselves as being focused on the student, making sure that they're getting their necessary training, building that skill, becoming a safe and professional pilot.
They're willing to work with my schedule and to make it to where I can accomplish the goals I have.
You know, just the whole experience at the Aviation Academy is outstanding.
It got me out of my comfort zone. It taught me to get out of it and try something new. I hadn't accomplished something like that in a while.
It's not something that's just mainstream out there, and you have to seek somebody who has the expertise to be able to put you a couple thousand foot in the air and that you trust to get you back to your family.
It's something I definitely recommend to everybody I talk to.